kaiber.ai and quick make a free account. Once you create your free account, now you will get 10 credits free which you can use to generate anything you want, any AI art, any AI video. The reason I really excited in this video is I love AI generated art, AI videos, AI art, AI images. So yeah, let's move on to steps. But first, we have to saw the AI generated video, kaiber.ai. This is such an amazing video and such an amazing work. And in this video, we all learned how to make these AI videos. So don't skip this video and make sure you subscribe my channel. Let's move on to steps. Step number 1, simply upload your image, transform existing video, and you can also upload your audio files. Step number 2, write your prompt, write your style, whatever you want. And the step number 3, you complete your settings according to you. Number 4, adjust your frame. You want 9:5, 9:12, 9. Want to create this type of videos, so make sure save this reel. Simply go to this website and create your account and then submit your image, write your prompt, whatever you want, and then your magic is here. Make your imagination real. Must check out this amazing